Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a QR code for your shipping on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are going to follow this article here from the community on Etsy, and basically this is from stuff on eBay, and basically here we are on the eBay community, and basically and simply this is how you can get your QR code. So basically you will be needing just to go to ship your order. So here you will be needing first like to go to your selling uh, dashboard or selling place, and from there you go to orders, and when you start like shipping your order you will be able like to or you will be needing to add some tracking for your order, and basically it depends on your provider. You will be able to get a digital QR code. So simply, you will be needing just to go to package your sold item, and you can check out the packaging practices. After that, you can go to the order details from the list of sold items, and here you will find the print shipping label, so you can add it into your package. And basically, you will need just to choose a shipping service that supports QR. And as you can see, if we go to package, you will have like some packaging, and from here you will need just to have like a service provider or a deliverer that use a QR code. So as you can see, for example, for this FedEx, they are not using the QR code, and for the USPS, they are using QR code. And then down, you will need to choose the QR code. So here you can save it to your phone and scan it where you go. As you can see now, you will need just to purchase and print the label, and then you will be able to be communicated the QR code, and now you will be able to start scanning the QR code on your phone. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.